Good morning everyone. My name is Haruta. Today I sing it Windy Wind Rhyme. Gentle breeze is blowing around, blowing around, blowing around. Gentle breeze is blowing around. Princes are coming. Hear the birds sing and chirp, sing and chirp, sing and chirp. Hear the birds sing and chirp. Princes are coming. See the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. See the children laugh and play. Watch the flowers pretty and bright, pretty and bright, pretty and bright. Watch the flowers pretty and bright. Wait, princes are coming. Thank you.